After personally encountering persistent display issues and trying countless solutions, I finally discovered effective strategies to resolve the Windows 10 black screen, and I am excited to share these with you now. This often happens when your display driver gets stuck. The first method uses a special keyboard shortcut to force your graphics driver to reset. It sends a quick signal to Windows to restart the display process, often bringing your screen back to life immediately without a full reboot. This is a common way to fix black screen using Windows 10 keyboard shortcut. Next, if your desktop disappears, the Explorer X process, which manages your desktop and icons, might have crashed. Using Task Manager, you can manually restart this process, telling Windows to bring your graphical interface back online. This bypasses the frozen display quickly. Sometimes a new program or update causes conflicts. Assessing safe mode starts Windows with only the bare necessities. If your computer works there, it means a non-essential program is causing the trouble, letting you safely remove it. Finally, outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are frequent culprits. Your graphics driver helps your computer talk to the screen. Reinstalling it provides a fresh, clean set of instructions, fixing communication errors and restoring your display.